Hello everybody. Today I'm going on vacation and I want to show you this cool system that I set up to water all my plants while I'm away. So this is an automatic timer, and it's a special kind of timer that senses the sunlight, and so I have it to go off every day for 5 minutes at sunrise. And then I have a splitter here so I can still run the hose if needed, but this valve is turned on and then the water is on. And I have a Mr. Landscaper irrigation kit, that's micro irrigation spray heads that just plug right into the timer here. So I laid out all my favorite plants that I've been propagating, and then from each of the black poly pipe there, I have one of these micro irrigation heads. So this is spraying my avocado tree here and these bromeliads I recently potted up. And then I have another one here that is watering these mulberry trees and some tea plants, a sweet potato, rosemary, and so on and so forth. I got them about 6 feet apart, and then just really stacked all my plants in between here. So here's some baby papayas and passion fruit I have, and I'm also watering this star fruit tree. So kind of ends over here. I have this kale I'm growing in the grow box, and then this flat of dragon fruit cuttings. I didn't want to get too wet, so I put them in the back. And all this stuff is also set up to get natural rainfall. In case it rains, I'll take advantage of that. So let me show it to you in action. So again, using the Mr. Landscaper micro spray heads, I have this one to go on like a 90-degree angle, and then this one over here I have more at like the 360 degree. So there is a little gap on the back side of it, you can see. So always point the back side where you want the least irrigation. And these ones I could have put 90s on, but they're just doing a fine job watering everything. So it's looking good. I won't have to worry about my plants while we're in Barbados.